Hi, first years. This is our last assignment of atmosphere. We're going to look at photosynthesis, do a wee bit of revision, and then do an atmosphere quiz. We've got a couple of weeks to do this because next week's a bit of a holiday. So don't do this in the last day when it's due. Try and do it, spread it over, a bit of revision over the next couple of weeks. So what's photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a fancy word for the process of converting water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight into food, basically. So think about what a plant needs. I'm sure a lot of you have got plants in your garden or in plant pots. You usually water them. They need carbon dioxide from the air. They need sunlight usually to grow. And most of them have green leaves. And in that green leaf, there's this fancy chemical called chlorophyll. So if we have a look at this, photosynthesis is just a process where food is stored, usually in the form of starch, but sometimes called cellulose, which you'll find when you sing along to this video. It gives you, it's a bit of an earworm, so you can sing along to that. That's really good fun. And then you want to make sure in your notes you've got a good sort of sense of what photosynthesis is. This is the photosynthesis reaction equation. You've got water, carbon dioxide. Now we're going to put light and the chemical chlorophyll sort of as part of not necessary reactants of the reaction. So we're going to put them, they help the reaction carry on. So we're going to put them over the arrow, above the arrow and below the arrow. And then you can make food and oxygen. You release the oxygen, which is very handy because obviously green plants release oxygen and animals such as ourselves use oxygen in our breathing processes, which we've learnt of before. So make sure you've taken a wee note of the photosynthesis reaction. Now, I know some of you don't like drawing, so I've got a plain boring one here as well without pictures, but you can put nice pictures on there. And basically that's all you need to know about photosynthesis. So if I go back to the assignment, you want to then look at all the learning outcomes that we've covered in atmosphere. We've spent a bit of time. You can go through all the assignments. You can just have a quick look. You can make like a nice mind map of these, either on a piece of paper or you can do it on Google Drawings. Now you can send that to me. And then finally, there's just a 16-point self-marking, apart from one question, atmosphere quiz. So I would, try and do that as much as possible without looking at your notes. But honestly, it's just a quick quiz. It's not going to take you too long. Okay, I hope that all makes sense, and I shall see you a week on Thursday. Bye.